Mataram everyone. I am Agrin Gupta, a proud student of Seth M.R. Jaipuria School, Bhiwadi. I am thrilled to share about my wonderful school and the recent activities that made this month truly special. At our school, learning is a beautiful blend of academics and creativity. We have amazing facilities like the Torrance Lab, where we explore melodies and rhythms. There is also the XQ Lab, where we learn the art of video creation, connecting our lessons to creative storytelling. The computer lab helps us enhance our tech skills, while the separate art and craft room sparks our creativity. One of my favorite spaces is the Heritage Shala, which helps us connect history with the present, fostering a sense of pride in our heritage. This month we celebrated two special occasions through vibrant assemblies. For Makar Sankranti and Lohri, we showcased the joy of festival through dance, music and vibrant performance. On Republic Day, students expressed their love for the nation through heartfelt speeches, acting, singing and mesmerizing dances. These events didn't just build our confidence but also instilled the spirit of culture, teamwork and responsibility, shaping us into better citizens. A grade 8 student had an unforgettable experience exploring the world-renowned Honda plant, guided by expert professionals and supported by the Honda management team. Seth M.R. Jaipuria School isn't just a school, it's a place where every student grows, learns and shines.